Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Eva. Today I will give a presentation on the topic of effect of aging on physical performance. In the following time, I will talk about what is aging, what is the current research on the topic, and some other finding on the research and what can we do to against this effect. Okay, so let's start. What is the aging? It is the accumulation of the changes over the life. It could be the social change, the psychological change, and the physiological change. So, thanks to the advancement in the biological science and medical science, our lifespan become longer and longer. From 200 years ago, the average lifespan of human is about 20 years, so it's quite short. And today it's about 60. And the scientists predict that for the future generation, the lifespan could be 120 or even more. It's very long. But just think about that. Is longer life expectancy mean the extension of energetic and healthy life? Okay, so the physical performance it can divide into two mechanisms based on the energy supplied. It could be aerobic and anaerobic. And the criteria to assess your physical performance could using the parameter like the endurance, power, speed, or flexibility. So from the article, I find the researchers compared the physical performance between populations with different age groups, different genders, and different degrees of engagement in physical activities. So the first comparison between different age groups. From this table, you can see that there is definitely a decline on the physical performance with the age increase, but the decrease are not in the same degree with different mechanisms. And the decline in the anaerobic mechanism is quite different. And for the gender, there are some variation in the results from different research. Some research state that there is parallel decline in two genders. That means the decline are in the same rate in different genders. However, in some research, they found that there are some difference, though it is not very significant, but still some difference. And I think the reason why the difference appear is because of the difference in assessment, because some of them are assessing the aerobic performance and some is anaerobic performance, and also the difference in physiological state in different individuals will pose this difference. So, and the final point is the difference in decrease of engagement in physical activities will cause difference of the decline. For the people who are not physically active, they will have greater decline in their performance. So, what is the reason of the decline? After read through the sources, I found seems that all the scientists agree that the ultimate reason is the change in the maximal oxygen uptake. It refers to the body to transport and utilize the oxygen when you have a more rigorous exercise, and it is a review of the physical fitness of an individual. So, indeed, you can find the some conclusion, small conclusion about the changes. When people grow older, it is inevitable for them to have a decline on the pulmonary function and cardiovascular functions, and it will directly cause the decrease in the aerobic capacity. And on the other hand, for old people, they will develop the continuous tiredness, and it will make them decrease in the physical activities and less eager on the exercise, and it will indirectly affect their aerobic capacity. Okay, so even the changes of the physiological state cannot be changed in very great extent, but there is still something we can do. For example, you can do more exercise and increase your muscle mass, and it definitely can help you to alleviate the situations. So the follow take-home message of today. If the longer expectancy means the extension of an energetic and healthy life, it seems that the answers may not be positive, but we still can do something to make our late life better. Just do more exercise and have better lifestyle, and we better start from now before you get too old. So it is my presentation. Thank you. So any questions?
Is it useful to exercise more when we get old or start from now to avoid the aging?
You mean have the exercise now can
having exercise now avoid aging too early?
Yes, because I have said that before, the aging is actually the accumulations of the changes, especially the physiological changes. And if we can change continuously from now and every day in the later life, it will slower the aging of your cell, your body, and your pulmonary functions and cardiovascular function will not decrease very fast or will not that extensive. So it will definitely affect your physical performance.
Is it useful to do so when we are already old?
And I said that it is an accumulation process. It is not one point, at some point I become old. No, it is a continual process. So when we grow, we actually aging at the same time. Yes, so we better start now. Okay, any questions? Oh, thank you.